Titus Model TRM Installation Instructions. The Titus Rapid Mount Frame, or TRM, is intended to allow installation of any lay-in style ceiling diffuser to be accomplished in a drywall or hard ceiling quickly and cleanly. In this video, the models Omni and TMS are shown, but any lay-in diffuser can be used. The ceiling opening is cut per our recommended dimensions. Insert the frame from below and position the clips and adjust according to drywall thickness. Pass the diffuser up through the opening and attach the ductwork. Here a TMS is shown. Follow the same installation instructions. The TRM can be used in any drywall ceiling installation for any lay-in type diffuser. For questions regarding specific or specialized installation requirements, please reach out to Titus GRD Applications. Thank you for choosing Titus.